Hello, welcome to the another Java programming tutorial. Today we are going to explore a powerful feature called reflection, which allow us to access the private method in Java. Let's start with a simple example. So assume we have two classes. One is the main method class, and second one is private method access example. So in the first class, like private method access example, we have a private method called private method that simply print a message. Normally, a private method cannot be accessed from outside the class. However, using the reflection, we can bypass this restriction. To access the private method, we first get the class of the instance using the instance.get class. Next, we use class.getDeclare method to obtain a reference to the private method by specifying its name, private method. Then we call the method.setAccessible as true to make the private method accessible. Finally, we use method.invoke to invoke the private method on the instance. So now let's run this code and see what happens. You will get the output. This is a private method. So that's all for today tutorial on accessing the private method in Java using reflection. I hope you find it informative and helpful. Do not forget to subscribe our channel for more Java programming tutorials. Happy coding!